Hello students, in this video we are going to learn an important long answer question that is from trigonometry chapter Sum-and Product Transformations topic. Let us see one question. If a plus b plus c equals to 180 degrees, then prove that cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c equals to minus 4 cos a cos b cos c minus 1. So let us write the given condition first. Given that a plus b plus c equals to 180 degrees, let it be equation number 1, which is useful in further simplification process. So by taking LHS, we can prove RHS. Consider LHS. Cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c equals to. Now if you assume 2a as c, 2b as d, it is in the form of cos c plus cos d. Sum of the ratios we have. So we can write it in the form of product of ratios. So let us remind formula. Cos c plus cos d. Formula 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. So here c is 2a, d is 2b. Replace c with 2a, d with 2b in this formula. If I do so, 2 cos of 2a plus 2b by 2 into cos of 2a minus 2b by 2. Cos of 2a minus 2b by 2 plus cos 2c, write as it is. Now 2 cos of, we can take 2 common and 2 gets cancelled. So we will get a plus b into cos of, here also same thing. 2 can be taken as common, 2 cancel. A minus b remain plus cos 2c same. 2 cos of, now replacing that. Replacement for a plus b from equation 1. A plus b can be replaced with, a plus b can be replaced with 180 degrees minus c. So plus c, on shifting it become minus c. So a plus b can be replaced with 180 degrees minus c into cos of a minus b as it is plus cos 2c also same. Now 180 degrees minus theta belongs to second quadrant. 90 degrees plus theta, 180 degrees minus theta belongs to second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative. So in second quadrant sine and cosec are only positive. So cos is negative. So that's why give negative sign. Next write these two as it is. Due to 180 degrees minus theta, we won't have any change in function. So cos will get as it is cos and c will get here. Into cos of a minus b plus cos 2c. Okay, now time to write formula for cos 2c. Let us remind formula of cos 2a. We have two formulas. Cos 2a formula 2 cos square a minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square a. Depending on situation, we have to select formula. So when I saw here cos c formed, that's why we have to select formula which is in terms of cos. So this is the formula we need to select. So I should write 2 cos square c minus 1 because in place of a I have c. So I should write 2 cos square c minus 1. Now we can take 2 cos c common. Okay. So I want to take 2 cos c common. After taking 2 cos c common, we left with minus cos of a minus b minus cos of a minus b remained and here plus. After taking 2 common, 1 cos c common, one more cos c will be remained. Minus 1 as it is. 2 cos c as it is into minus cos of a minus b as it is plus cos of. Time to replace c. These problems in the beginning we used to replace a plus b in terms of c. Now we need to replace c in terms of a plus b. So we have to replace c. So how c can be replaced from equation 1? C equals to 180 degrees minus of a plus b. This plus of a plus b on shifting become minus of a plus b. So c can be replaced with 180 degrees minus of a plus b. Bracket close. Now from this opening, this is the closing. Minus 1 as it is. Now 2 cos c into minus cos of a minus b we can write as it is. Now here once again we need to apply some rules. 180 degrees minus theta form. Second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. So already we have plus. Here we are going to get negative, so plus into minus, minus. Next, in case of 180 degrees minus theta, we won't have any change in function. Cos, we get same cos of. Here angle will be same, a plus b minus 1. Now we can take minus common from both the terms. We can take minus common. Minus 2 cos c into. After taking minus common, left with cos of a minus b plus, we took minus common now, here plus will be remain, plus cos of a plus b minus 1. Now write minus 2 cos c as it is. Now we have a formula, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. We have direct formula, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Formula 2 cos a cos b. So I should write here 2 cos a into cos b minus 1 as it is. Now minus 2 into 2, 4 cos a cos b cos c. We can rearrange the terms as according to the required proof. Minus 1 as it is. So if I see RHS minus 4 cos a cos b cos c minus 1. So this is the RHS. LHS equals to RHS.